Have you ever wondered what do you do with the leftover rotis, chappathis or khubus? Or if you have run out of gas, what will you do? So, today I am going to make something which will not involve any type of fire. I have a few ingredients from my pantry: 2 khubus, some cream cheese, some honey, some almonds, bananas and dates. These are the only ingredients I need. First, what I will do is I will cut the khubus into small pieces and put it into the mixer. Leaving khubus leftovers is a major problem in many houses. It often Now I have cut the khubus into small pieces and put it in a grinder. Now, the only thing you have to make sure that your grinder is not wet, otherwise it will stick on its sides. Now I will grind it and come. Give me 2 minutes. Now this is a grind form of the khubus. Now I will take 1 banana. Peel it, and I am now going to smash it. You can just use a fork, nothing more. Just smash it very nicely so that it takes only 1 or 2 minutes to do it, nothing more. Now it's done. I have some dates with me. I am putting 2 or 3 pieces of that. Just pity the dates and put it. Now you can smash that also, or you can even cut the dates into small pieces and add it to this mixture. Now you can see that it has become a little bit watery. To this I am adding 1 spoon of cream cheese. That also you can mix it very nicely. Into this goes the pickle, the ground khubus. Just mix everything together. You can feel the smell of the bananas and the cream cheese and the khubus being mixed. It's a very good thing. Now you can transfer it to your bowl. You can shape it according to your size. Add a dash of honey according to the sweetness you require. I've got some almonds here. Give me 2 minutes to crush it. Some almonds. In fact, I've just powdered it. Some pieces are there, that is for the crunchy finish. And here it is. An easy no cook breakfast.